G'day, it's Lauren Day and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my Little Mermaid makeup tutorial. This makeup tutorial features the Zodiac palette by Colourpop and KATHLEEN lights, single shadows from Colourpop's Build Your Own palette, my favourite Colourpop eyeshadow brushes, and the gorgeous Under the Sea Super Shock Shadow from the Disney collection. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload, and don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoy this video. So let's get started. Starting with the BYS Blueberry 8 eyeshadow palette. Don't need this. Let's start with this blueberry shade here. Using my Colourpop F12 brush, I'm going to apply this into the crease and then just blending up towards the brow bone. This is going to form the base of our eyeshadow. Throughout this video, I'll be using my favourite Colourpop eyeshadow brushes. Using Glass Bull and the tapered blending brush from Colourpop, I'm applying this beautiful shimmery lavender shade over the top to add that beautiful iridescent mermaid look. Adding Ariel's shade of the Super Shock Shadow Under the Sea, we're going to apply this beautiful turquoise shimmer with our finger and apply directly to your mobile eyelid. Applying Colourpop's Super Shock Shadows with your finger is the best application and it will give you the most magical shimmery eyeshadow. Girls, grab your Zodiac palette from KATHLEEN Lights, the Pisces. It's a beautiful shimmery, glittery turquoise shade and it's perfect for this look. Apply with your finger and just tap gently over the top of Under the Sea. Time for Colourpop's BYOP. Grab your Colourpop palette. These are the 3 additional shades that I'm going to be using. Quantum Sleep. It's a beautiful midnight blue. Using tapping motions with the E1 brush, I'm just going to be tapping this into the outer V, just concentrating on that outer corner to apply this colour and blend it into the aqua. After applying the initial colour, I'm just going to sweep my brush across the crease to blend to create that magical mermaid blue. The next shade is Carrot Cake and it's applied with my finger into the inner corner of the eye to create a beautiful gradient. Next is Liar Liar. Using Colourpop's E4 brush, this is my favourite brush to use for highlight because it's very flat. And as you can see, you can apply the colour to your brow bone really easily and then softly blend it down onto the crease colour. I love Colourpop's single eyeshadows. Next, let's clean up under the eyes with the W7 Skin Fresh Concealer. This is my favourite concealer. MCOBEAUTY's Skinny Black Eyeliner Pen, black felt tip pen, is so easy to apply. It dries instantly and it helps you create the perfect wing. And the eyes are done. Line your lips with your favourite pencil. I'm using Rose, Savvy Minerals Designer Brands Lip Liner. My lipstick today is NATIO. This is the shade Magnolia. It's a beautiful, soft blossom pink. And I love this one because it has a magnetic closure. Perfect for your handbag. I love lipsticks with magnetic closing caps. Disney Designer Lip Gloss in the shade Boo. I love this colour because it is a beautiful, soft pink. So it goes perfectly with this lipstick and it adds a beautiful glossy finish to this lipstick. MCOBEAUTY Tropicool Blush Duo is my cheek colour for today. The Cancer eyeshadow from the Zodiac palette is my highlight today. Just using my fingertips, I'm going to be applying this directly over my blush as a beautiful golden pink highlight. Let's recap the products we used today. The Zodiac palette, the shades the Pisces and the Cancer, single shadows in Quantum Sleep, Liar Liar and Carrot Cake, and the Super Shock Shadow in Under the Sea. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below what's your favourite Disney princess, and I will see you next time. Create your dream and make it happen.